Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete an Outlook OST file. This is particularly useful when you're experiencing synchronization issues or need to clear cached data from your email account. Let's walk through this process step by step. First things first, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, log into your account and give it a moment to fully load all your emails. This initial loading step is important because you need to access the specific account settings for the OST file you want to remove. After your emails have loaded completely, direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. Look for the File tab and click on it. This will open up the File menu, which contains various account management options that we'll need for this task. Once the File menu opens, shift your focus to the right side of your screen. Here you'll notice an option labeled Account Settings. Go ahead and click on it. When you do this, additional options will appear in a drop-down list. From these options, click on Account Settings again. This might seem repetitive, but it's necessary to access the specific window we need. Now an account settings window will pop up on your screen. Within this window, you'll see several tabs at the top. Look for and click on the Data Files tab. This is where all your account's data files, including the OST file, are listed and managed. The Data Files tab gives you a comprehensive view of all the files associated with your Outlook accounts. From the Data Files tab, you'll be able to see all your account's data files or OST files displayed. To proceed with deleting the file, locate and click on the Open File Location button. This action will launch a File Explorer window, taking you directly to the folder where your OST file is stored. Here's a critical step you need to follow before proceeding. You must close your Outlook app completely. The reason for this is that the OST file is currently in use while Outlook remains open, and Windows will not allow you to delete a file that's actively being used by an application. So go ahead and completely shut down Outlook. Once Outlook is closed, return to the File Explorer window that's showing your OST file location. Simply locate the specific OST file you wish to delete, right-click on it, and select Delete. The file will be removed from your system. And that's it! You've successfully deleted your Outlook OST file. This clears the cached data and can help resolve various synchronization issues. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.